Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh from Jodhpur. Once again I am with you on a new video lecture on Oracle Tangi for the PLSQL block of code. We consider the structured query language, that is SQL, and their commands in the previous lectures. Now we are moving on to the PLSQL. The term PLSQL means programming language through structured query language. The programmers need to a specific structure so that they can execute multiple queries inside a block. So the PL is an extension of SQL, that is called programming language through structured query language. So today's video lecture will inform you more about PLSQL block of code, and in the later sections we will consider how to write programs in PLSQL using the Oracle Tangi. So stay with me. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and please like and share. So guys, today we consider the PLSQL block of code. So firstly we understand the meaning of PLSQL. The SQL, as you know, that structured query language, but it is less featured than programming. That means if you want to execute something, you can only go to a way that is a single query. That means you can write a query on terminal and execute it one by one. But if you are a programmer, you need to execute multiple queries at a time. So the extension of SQL is called PLSQL, that is programming language through structured query language. Now we are moving towards the block, and the first part of the block is declaration section, and the second part is begin section. The third part is exception section, and the fourth part is end section, and it ends with a front slash. Now we discuss about these parts. First is declaration part. All the declaration parts will be set aside here. That means all the variables are declared here in this section. No curly braces are needed here, as we write down in the C programming language. Begin section is for execution of the statements you want to. Exception section is optional. That means if you want to handle the exceptions on your own, you can write the exception section. Otherwise, the system will handle it on it. The end section will says to the system that the program is now ended, and the front slash will execute that code, and you will have the output like procedure executed successfully. Now when you will give one more front slash on the terminal, then this program will execute it twicely. Firstly, this will compile, and if there is any kind of error, then the system will acknowledge you about the friends error in the code of block. So
from this video lecture,
whole code
we are considering
of PLSQL.
distinct keyword.
Thank you guys.
You can